Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app accepts custom voices and picking the voice type you want. Collect a clean sample of 30 to 60 seconds and a quiet room. This matters because noise ruins models. Once done, install the required voice manager or driver and make sure the version matches the app. You'll also enable developer or advanced audio settings if needed. These steps get you into the process quickly and avoid backtracking later when the conversion or mapping begins. You now create the voice profile. Import the clean sample into the voice tool and select a model based on quality versus rendering speed. Tweak pitch, timbre, and prosody so the tone matches your intent. Listen at normal and faster speeds to catch artifacts. Once satisfied, map phonemes or shortcuts if the tool allows, then export in the app's required format. Make sure file paths are accessible to the target app, and that naming follows the app's conventions for automatic. You finish by installing the exported voice into the app's voice folder and restarting or refreshing the app so it recognizes the new asset. Then run a 15 to 30 second TTS test and compare it to your original sample to confirm fidelity. If it sounds off, check the common issues: sample quality, wrong bitrate or codec, file permissions, or a mismatch between the tool's export settings and the app's import requirements. Fixing one of those usually resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.